Hello everyone. Today is an urgent news about Hurricane Milton that has caused hundreds of wild boar and black bear attacks in Florida. What are the countermeasures that Floridians are taking right now? Watch this special report in this video to understand more. Late on October 10th, 2024, Florida experienced an unprecedented natural disaster when Hurricane Milton made history. Not only did it cause $20 billion in property damage, Milton also destroyed nearly 123,550 acres of pristine forest, depriving millions of animals of their essential food source. According to information from the Federal Emergency Management Agency FEMA and the Florida Department of Natural Resources FDNR, Hurricane Milton caused the most devastating impact in Florida's history late on October 10, 2024. In the Ocala National Forest, more than 15,000 wild boars lost their food source due to the storm's heavy rain and strong winds, leading to severe malnutrition. On October 11, 2024, they attacked the cities of Tampa and Miami, destroying all infrastructure such as the I-4 freeway system. The grass on the sidewalks was dug up by them, creating deep holes that were dangerous for pedestrians. At the same time, the aggression and surprise of black bears directly threatened the safety of millions of people, forcing many areas to be locked down and carry out emergency evacuations. Total infrastructure damage is estimated at $25 billion and has created major challenges for Florida in terms of recovery and reconstruction. Faced with the increasingly serious impacts of wildlife, the Florida government has implemented measures to install iron cage traps to prevent the attack of 1.5 million wild boars. In particular, after Hurricane Milton, the forest terrain became slippery and dangerous, requiring safety measures when installing traps. In response, 560 hunters participated in the installation in licensed hunting areas in the Ocala National Forest and Everglades. The iron cage traps were designed and installed with the requirement of at least 2 people to ensure safety. To attract wild boars into traps, Florida hunters have adopted the method of preparing corn bait. The most popular corn bait used is sweet Dixie corn, which is famous for its ability to retain its aroma even during stormy days. This bait attracts wild boars and helps increase the prey-capture rate by up to 75%. It is mainly active during the 3 months from October to December 2024. The wire cage traps used in this campaign are designed to securely trap wild boars and prevent them from escaping. Each trap can capture 10 to 15 animals at a time. Hunting of young wild boars and pregnant wild boars is prohibited to maintain the natural balance and limit negative impacts on the wild boar population in the future. Thanks to responsible hunting management practices, Florida has saved more than $12 million in losses this hunting season. To improve the effectiveness of wild boar control, Florida authorities have applied remote tracking technology to iron cage traps. With this system, hunters do not need to go directly to the trap area to check, reducing the risk of accidents during installation and monitoring. Instead, they can monitor the trap's operation right at home. This hunting campaign has been successfully applied by Florida residents over the past 5 years, proving its high efficiency. After trapping, hunters are responsible for collecting and reporting the quantity to the authorities so that they can come up with new measures for the next hunting season. At the same time, Florida authorities were dealing with black bears in areas such as the Apalachicola Forest and the Ocala Forest. Gun hunting measures were implemented to quickly take down black bears. Hunters were required to be between 18 and 65 years old with a health certificate and to complete a gun safety course. The black bear hunting campaign, which lasted through the hurricane season, helped significantly reduce losses. Black bears are sensitive to human scent. This makes it easy for them to detect the presence of hunters, increasing the risk of attack. To participate in hunting without danger, hunters need to follow strict safety measures such as using anti-scent devices, avoiding carrying products with strong odors, and always moving in small groups. The type of gun commonly used in black bear hunting is the .30-06 Springfield compound rifle, famous for its ability to shoot accurately from a distance of 100 yards. In the harsh terrain areas affected by Hurricane Milton, hunters need to be fully equipped with protective equipment and survival skills to cope with difficult environmental conditions. In particular, hunters must always monitor to the changing hunting policies of the government to ensure safe hunting. This video is all the latest updates from Hurricane Milton. If you are experiencing damage in your area, please comment below to get support. Hit the like button to let us know you are safe. Please continue watching the video.
These approaches have been great at stopping the spread of some invasive species. Got any ideas for even better solutions? Drop your thoughts in the comments so we can all dive into it together. Thanks for sticking around and watching the whole video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And hey, be sure to tell your friends about us too so they can check it out. Bye and see you in the next video.